I'm in my dad's law office right now. I have work to do, but oh my god, nag-check ko sa ko mga hidden requests on Instagram and gikilig ko guys kasi nag-chat na ko ani when I was in Siargao. She's like saying, nakita ko niya nag-run sa Afam Bridge, tapos na-realize niya nagwapa daw kayo ko, tapos super flawless, tapos my skin is giving. And guys, kibalo naman ko nga gwapa na gid ko daan, but personality trait na gid na ako mahimog pretty girl runner, like tamang kabatakan lang pero super ganda pa rin. So I'm gonna tell you my secret. I don't wear makeup when I run. What I do is that I apply a really good tinted sunscreen. At that time, I was using the sunscreen from Skindo. This was me after my run in Afam Bridge. Tipo guys, super flawless. That's how I look like up close. And guys, as in super achievement, gid maingnan og gwapa nga nag-run, diba? Kas diba yagit biya akong singot-singot na ka, lagkit na katanawan, medyo maasim na. Oh, to all my runner friends out there, oh runner, use a really good tinted sunscreen. Don't wear makeup when you run because maalikabok ang dalan guys. Baka magka-clogged pores ka pa. Use a tinted sunscreen that gives your skin the right protection. This one, I really recommend. This is from Skindo. They're the sunscreen. SPF 50, so it gives your skin the right protection. I'm using the shade medium. This is how it looks like up close. I just applied it for this video para makita nyo. Gano'n siya kaganda, diba?